Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, and getting to unbox another little toy for me to play with today. And today we're going to be unboxing the Pixel Stand 2. I love the Pixel Stand 1. It was very minimalistic looking design. This one is offering super fast wireless charging. It's $109 on the Google store right now. And it's a little bulkier looking. I don't know why it needed to be a little bulkier. Maybe because it just needed to pump the extra speed out of it and needed some heat dissipation or something. So it does look a little different. And I've seen those videos out there where the person turned them into with some vinyl, a bit of a tombstone. So again, I'm just going to unbox it today, and then I'll do some reviews on it in the next little while. Tell you if I think that is it worth $109 versus just get yourself a regular QI charger. So what is that extra speed really going to be worth it? And also the Pixel Stand 1 allows you to do things like daydream, and allows you so you can play around with different, make your phone a little, picture, what do you call it, digital picture camera thingy, whatever it is. What I mean. Let your photos show off. All right, how do we open this thingy up? Okay. Somewhere? This one. No? Google, you are confusing me today. It is Sunday. There we go. Okay, do that. Ooh, I'm sure it wasn't meant to do it that way. Probably open up entirely backwards. So there we go. It's got a little bit of a concave, not convex, concave. You can see that it's got a little bit of concave holding. So if you want to put, there's the old Pixel 4 XL. That'll sit in there. Yeah, let's see what else is in the box. I'm going to assume a specialized charger, because that was the thing about the Pixel Stand 1 is you couldn't just use any old USB-C charger. You had to have a specialized USB-C charger. Well, fold it out there. That. And look at that monstrosity. That's a fairly large charging port. And then, ooh, nice long amount of cable. You can never have too long a cable sometimes. That is usually my always trying to find cable. Put that away like that. Put that away like that. Okay. So there we go. A very long cable. How long do they actually give it? Does it say on here? How long a cable? Don't have what? Cable. Doesn't say specifically how long. Okay, but decently long enough cable that you're gonna, depending on where you're gonna put it. So I gotta rejig a few things and where I'm gonna decide if I want to have it at my desk or do I want to have it at the side of my bed. Because I find a lot of the features I got my Nest Hub for that stuff too. So, but yeah, we'll see what we get out of it, and I'll have a review for you guys. If you have any questions, you know where to reach me.